Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to subscribe to someone on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are now on Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on Edit Profile. In here, click on Set Up Action button. And then in here, look for Subscribed on Select a button. Once done, head on over to your profile once again if you can find the subscribe button. Tap on the three horizontal lines and then click on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, scroll down and then look for Help. Over at Help, tap on Report a Problem. In here, just press on Include and Continue. In this section of the tutorial, you're now going to explain to Instagram what your problem is. All you have to do is to input your sentiments over here. Also, you can wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I'm writing. Once done, click on Send on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.